Some years ago, I used to be in the insurance industry. I was a life underwriter. And as I went around and to talk to persons about their own situation financially, people would share with me what's going on in their life, with their family, with their children. And I found myself as a Christian was offering them not just life insurance, was giving them guidance, praying for them, and pointing them to what I think is the best thing one can do in life to commit their life to Christ. And out of that experience, I was reminded of what my mom said, that I came out of her home specially to preach the gospel, and that she has been praying for me from I was born. Can you imagine that?
Beautiful.
And a call came upon my life, I would say, when I saw at Gilbert, just after Gilbert, the day when Gilbert struck, the day after, I went just walking the Mona Road area, and I saw trees, posts, all things were all in shambles. And I heard a voice saying, the people in Jamaica, lives are like Jamaica the day after Gilbert. And I want you to be a part of bringing back their broken life together.
What do you do?
Presently?
Yeah, what is the
organization?
Yeah, what do you do?
Okay, the organization is involved in social work in terms of working with persons in the inner city and outside. We involved in boys' conferences where every year we pull on thousands of boys, literally, in the high schools. And those who are having serious challenges, bringing their guidance counselor, their dean of discipline, principal together to share about how do they succeed against the odds, how do they, the whole question of being respectful to persons themselves, their parents. And so we not only do that, but we do media ministry as a part of trying to bring a positive impact upon the lives of individuals.
Okay.
So it is the whole question of transformation of life. And for 20 years now, we have been doing this boys' conference to the point where the schools now are asking us to start a girls' conference.
Oh,
because what they are saying is that although the boys have been transformed and their schools are seeing it, one boy, for example, was at the bottom of his class, and after coming through what we have done, he ended up at the top of his class.
Oh, beautiful. Ms. Judds, what's going to happen for the 25th now? Tell me about it.
A lot of things are going to be happening. Okay, we have the breakfast, we have the harbor cruise, we have various other things, but we have the Caribbean cruise. That is a special event taking place on August 16, 23. Okay, it's going to go from Miami, Tortola, Dominican Republic, and also St. Kitts. We're going to be having ministry in the islands, fun at the sea, seminars on the ship, and lots of excitement. Birthday, anniversary persons need to come on board and have a good time with us. We're having a nice birthday celebration. Mr. Rattray's anniversary, 50th anniversary.
Oh, beautiful.
As well.
Congrats, sir.
Right, so it's a big celebration, both of the ministry and also of the anniversary persons. So persons need to come on board. We're going to have a lot of fellowship, time for persons to leave your homes, get up and come out and meet people, go and explore the world. And at the same time, we're going to have a lot of things on the ship, Jamaica Day, and so on. So therefore, it's going to be with a difference.
Have you worked out a cost for all of that yet?
Yes, we have a very excellent cost now, very reduced cost. Just came in since last week. So it's actually about $12.80 per person, double occupancy for the inside cabin. We have ocean view cabin as well. It's about $13.40, and we have balcony cabins. And persons who multiply by our little exchange rate. And then we have persons who may live abroad, who may want to join family here, can meet us in Miami, to anywhere you are in the world, Africa, China, Asia, USA, can just meet us at the prayer, and we come together and have a wonderful time. So we have those already put together for you. Those who need airfare from Jamaica, that's also an option you can get from us as well. So we have all arranged, just waiting for you to call us.